They really need to stop putting weird shit in beer. Today's one, 4 Pines Seaweed beer. It sounds like it's going to be really shit, but then when you read into it, it doesn't sound too bad. It's a Tasmanian Pilsner, so it should be golden to straw in colour. Clean malt notes. Apparently flavours of guava and lychee from Tassie-grown Enigma hops. And then it's meant to have the salty addition of seaweed. Apparently this seaweed collab thing is from this mob called Sea Forest, so it's actually a specific type of seaweed that's grown in the native waters of Tasmania. And the short story is they grow this stuff, they add it to cow feed and like some sort of microbiome or something in that seaweed. Apparently stops the cows producing as much methane gas, so it's like a climate change improvement sort of thing. Which sounds really good, but hopefully it doesn't make seaweed flavoured beef, because I'd be a little bit pissed at that. Anyway, she's 4% in a 375ml can, makes it 1.2 standard drinks. That's heaps too much chit chat. Let's give it a crack. Keen for the colour check on this one. What's it gonna look like? I thought it was gonna be green like seaweed, but it's just normal straw coloured beer. I like the cause, but there's really not much going on there. I thought it was going to be a bit more crafty than that. It's got a bit of a Pilsner taste to it, but it tastes pretty watered down compared to other Pilsners that I've tried. It's got maybe a salty aftertaste to it, but I think it's more placebo effect because I'm looking at the can knowing there's meant to be seaweed in there. It's not really that noticeable. It actually tastes pretty much close to a Great Northern Super Crisp. That's sort of how bland it is for me. If you happen to see him in the bargain bin at Dan Murphy's, yeah, maybe give it a crack for something interesting, but I definitely wouldn't be buying a carton. I'd probably say she's a 4 out of 10 for me. That's it for another one. See you tomorrow. Cheers.